Good morning, everybody. It's 5:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And let me tell you right now, Dow Jones futures have been halted again, down 1,231 points as we speak. The bear market is paying big money. And you know what? You should take your free 5-day trial and get in on this action. We told everybody it was going to tank, 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 tank. And not only that, the amount of money that you could be making with this right now as these markets are going down, 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 like this morning, and they've halted the futures. That means that selling is going to continue. We're 20% off of the highs, but you know what? That's not the right number. Those highs were inflated. They should have never been there to start with. We still have another 10% down easily going forward. And not only that, the viruses are spreading and whatnot, and eventually the sellers will dry up, and or a massive rally off of the bottoms if there's any kind of a vaccine headline. There's all kinds of things going on, but there's a lot more downside. The 11-year bull market is over. The 11-year bull market that was manipulated from day one on 11-year expansion is over. I repeat, all investors around the world or in the US or anyone else, you better listen carefully. You need the risk management. You need to be making money when these things are going the opposite way, why everybody's getting killed. You need to be aware that the Dow Jones has been halted. The circuit breakers have kicked in on the Dow Jones futures, the S&P E-mini futures, Nasdaq 100 futures. This is the second time that these circuit breakers have been hit, but you know what? I love it. I'm so excited for this opening bell to tank is that I make more and more money. That is what you want to be saying to yourself right about now if you're watching this video. And as far as your options trading goes, every one of you, well, we're market makers in the option pit. There's a lot of money, more money to be made in this option pit right now than any time in history. And you know what? You're missing out because you didn't take the free 5-day trial. We give you the orders you can't get, will never get on the entry. And that's why we're so successful because of our platforms. And we called that there's going to be a lot more downside. I'm showing a weekly chart on the futures. It started right over here at 27,250 where the reversal started. This is where the reversal started, but this is where, bam, then it got worse. And 22,344. There will be a mechanical bottom for us market makers to make trades. For you public people and people that don't have experience in this kind of volatility, then I recommend you do nothing until you contact us so that you have the right guidance. And your other retail programs aren't going to help you because they don't know any more than you do right now. So, and they didn't know a whole lot anyway. They're all retail. Retail programs don't work. People watching the video right now, you're already aware of it and whatnot. Go ahead and get signed up. 702-685-0772. More selling in markets to come. Any bounces up, as we have said. Keep selling. We keep getting short, 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 going down. There will be big bounces off of the bottoms as well. But right now, futures are halted, and we're going to continue to see what kind of short term trading bounce is an entry and an exit for a profit. But you people, don't be trying to buy and just keep holding anything in here. Now's not the time for you people to be doing that. Once again, Dow Jones futures, capitulation, opening bell, halted. It's really a wonderful day. If you need our help, just give us a call. Phone number's right up there in the video. on the chart.